All right, welcome to Spray Paint Art Secrets, September 2019. This month we've got some really cool videos for you. We're going to start off making a magic castle with a green streaky sky. Notice the bricks on that castle wall. There's a lot of fun techniques in this one. So the sky starts off with just a simple effect of newspaper being dragged across it, and then we make it more complex by adding just white. I sprayed it actually through a strainer to create some of those textures, and then I sprayed a lot of clear coat on it and let it goosh around, and you get to see and hear all about the steps of making that sky and the clouds in it, and then how we did that wall. It's a lot of fun stuff that you can use. What kind of castles would you like to paint? Do they have bricks? Do they have torches? Try these techniques and try them on different surfaces. Like, for example, in this one, we painted on wood prepared with gesso and acrylic gloss. And this painting actually took all of 5 minutes to create something that could go on somebody's wall and just really look beautiful. In fact, I gave this painting to my aunt for her birthday, and she really loved it because she loves mystical paintings. And the use of a simple decorative stencil just gave it this really mystical touch. So I talk about how to use stencils to add to your spray painting, not to overwhelm them, but just to add a wonderful touch. And then we're going to continue to experiment with the stencils, but we're going to add some roses and some flowers. I get a lot of requests about how to paint flowers. So in this one, we're going to go over how to paint some simple roses, actually using torn pieces of paper and some other strange tools to be able to just improvise flowers on the fly, roses in this case. And then once we're done with our stencils and our flowers, we're going to move on to a little bit more of a classic spray painting effect, and we're going to work on some pyramids on an alien planet, but we're going to continue with our theme of foliage and trees. I'm really focusing on foliage and trees in the last months because I want to show you a lot of different variations that you can do with just a few simple tools to be able to create any kind of bush, any kind of mountain, any kind of tree that you have in mind. But sometimes you just want to add in a little bit of that classic spray painting feel. So we put in some planets and some mountains here. So if you have not tried spray paint art yet, just so you know, you can totally do it safely without solvents. I am going completely solvent-free this year. Usually when I do my videos, I do them from Mexico where the paints have solvents, but I am switching it up. I'm done with solvents. I am going to be painting completely water-based, and I will be showing you all these techniques and more techniques. Each type of paint that you use has its own amazing things that you can do with it. So we're going to be exploring water-based paints from now on, but of course all of the effects will be useful for people painting with solvent-based paints, people doing just regular acrylic painting who want to just add a little bit of extra something to their knowledge. People working with airbrush can use these effects. And one thing I really like to focus on, besides staying safe and keeping healthy while using spray paint art techniques, is painting with found objects. That's one of the real joys of spray paint art. So I have found that one amazing tool for creating city effects is the common eraser. So we're going to go over how to paint with erasers to create all kinds of unique effects. And we're just going to keep experimenting. And I hope you will be a part of it. If you have any questions, my name is Elisa Amor, and my email is spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. Hope to see you inside the membership area. Ciao.